Model breakdown. Model breakdown occurs when a value produced via model makes no sense or produces bad approximation. It's essentially areas that are unpredictable or non-understandable of your graph or would not make sense. Do keep in mind the very basics. Example, population of a type of frog has been decreasing at a rate of 1,000 per year since 2000. Graph the situation and make some observation that the population in 2000 was 15,000, pardon me. So once again, population of a type of frog has been decreasing at a rate of 1,000 per year since 2000. Graph the situation and make some observation if the population in 2000 was 15,000. So let's do a rough sketch for reference. So let's label T are years, x-axis, and P is the population in thousands of frogs. This is specific frog type, okay? So let's start with basic numbers. Notice that at the left side we have thousands, so each one of those numbers represents thousands. So we're going up to 19,000. And at the bottom, years, singular years, 1, 2, 3, 4, starting since the year 2000. So remember, we want to convert to singular years to make it easier for plotting. And now let's plot our dots. So we started with 15,000. From there on, it was decreasing at a rate of 1,000 per year. So going down 1,000 per year, roughly. There's our dots to represent it's going down 1,000 per year. So down 1 over 1 for 1,000 per year. And let's make a straight line to represent our data. There. This represents our data. This is a rough graph of our data. Well, do we have any model breakdown anywhere on here? Let's see. We could have model breakdown in the negative time areas. If I had an arrow going to the left, we would not have any correct values on there because we can't have negative time technically. But on the other hand, we have model breakdown because we cannot have negative number of frogs either. So keep in mind, once a species goes extinct, technically, it's quite impossible to say it came back to life all of a sudden, right? Unless it was mass reproduced scientifically. Okay, so in this case, do notice the fact that we have an arrow going past our t-axis or x-axis. In this case means that we have negative frogs. This is where model breakdown occurs for us. We can't have negative frogs. Be on the lookout for these types of model breakdowns on your graphs.